One for the farmer, one for the cook, and one for the little girl with the picture book. Baa, baa, white sheep, skipping in the sun. Yes sir, playing and having fun. Wool so soft, wool so bright, warm little jackets for a cold winter night. Baa, baa, brown sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, we've bags full. Wool for the children, wool for the bear, wool to share love everywhere. Thank you little sheep, so fluffy and sweet. Sharing your wool makes our song complete.